These are a set of genuine Weber IDTP carburetors that were originally used on the 2-liter 1969 models and the 1970 through 71 2.2-liter 911T models. These were also used on the 914 2-liter models. On this particular set of carburetors, we've gone through and remachined all of our surfaces, top gasket surfaces, bottom gasket surfaces. The bodies have been coated with a Ceracote finish to provide protection as well as make them look good. On replacements, we have new throttle plates throughout everything, new mixture screws, all new brass, new progression port covers, idle jet covers. All the jets are also being replaced with brand new jetting. For chokes, we've replaced the 27mm choke with a 30mm. This gives a little bit of improved drivability in the upper RPM range, and the jet package has been installed to match these chokes. Also, new accelerator pump jetting and bolts have been replaced as well. On the back side, we have new linkages through for our adjustment on our accelerator pump, as all the old ones were worn. The original pump block and pump face have been resurfaced and replated in an original yellow zinc finish. And then on the front side, we have new throttle lever arms as well. So the jet package installed in these carburetors is going to differ slightly from the original that would have been used with a 27mm choke. So for main jets, we have a 125 main jet, we have an F26 emulsion tube and a 180 air corrector. The accelerator pump discharge nozzles are set to 0.5 of a cc per stroke and are using a 0.5 accelerator pump nozzle. So all of the internal settings have been done, float heights have been set, throttle plate settings have all been set up. These will go on our engine and be run test, which you'll see the video shortly, and also will include refurbished original velocity stacks that have been refurbished in a bright nickel finish. The final part of our carburetor build is to set it up on our test engine. And what we're looking for here is not a final tune because every engine is different. We are using a 2-liter 911T, but even this engine has more compression, so it's going to want different fuel requirements, and our altitude being at 7,500 feet is going to make some changes. But what I'm looking for is my balance between cylinders, making sure that I can adjust my idle speed, and I want to see my flow around 4.5 to 5.5 kilograms of air per hour at idle. The other thing I'm looking for is mixture control, making sure my mixtures are working and that they are adjustable. This will make it a lot smoother for the end user. They'll be able to sit them on their engine and it should start and it should run. There will be some fine tuning needed on idle and fuel mixtures based on your engine and your specific altitudes, and there may even be some fine jet changes needed, just because different engines and different fuels and different altitudes are going to require a different package. So now that we've got all of our settings confirmed, we know the carburetors are working, we know they're in balance. I'm going to pull them off the engine, drain all the fuel, and go over, do my final tighten checks. I need to add one set screw on the back throttle shafts, and these are ready to ship to the new owner.